You come home from a long day at school or work. Maybe it's been a tough day, you're carrying a bit of stress, or you're just plain tired. It's not quite dinner time yet, but you head into the kitchen or go to grab a snack from your room. You grab a bag of potato chips or a candy bar, you rip it open, and you start mindlessly eating while you sit down to watch TV or check your email or talk on the phone. Before you know it, half the bag of chips is gone. Well, it hasn't exactly disappeared. It's sitting in your stomach like a rock, and that rock makes you feel slightly ill. Has this ever happened to you?